Hey everyone, so if you have noticed, I have my hair curled. Sorry, I keep playing with it, and I have pretty long hair. So I did a tutorial and I'm on a bouncy ball right now, or a yoga ball, if I'm bouncing around. But yeah, if you would like to see how I did this curly hairstyle or loose curl hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how I curl my long ass hair. I've been practicing how to curl my hair while I've been pregnant because I do not curl my hair very well. I usually just leave it straight, or I'll just put it in a bun and just let it be wavy or whatever. But I've been getting pretty good at it and I'm actually proud of myself. So I'm going to show you how it looks once I curl it. First I'm going to brush out my hair. Okay, so hair straight. I'm going to section off about half of my hair. And then clip top half of it up. Nothing fancy. Okay, so right now I just have the bottom. And I usually like to brush it each strand that I pull out, which is about an inch to 2 inches, in between there, wide. And I have an inch curling iron. And I'm going to put this straight or horizontal and clip it halfway and then pull it down, but I kind of leave the ends a little bit because my ends are so, what's the word, fragile. I don't want to really iron that for too long. But yeah, I just roll it up and I leave it maybe 3 inches to 4 inches away from my scalp, and I only leave it on there for about 30 seconds or so, and then I'll kind of clip it down and then grab the end just for a second, and then I just let it go. And it should look something like this. Now, I don't hairspray my hair unless it's at the end because I kind of like my curls to be loose. So I'm really not worried about it staying really tight because I'm not trying to get too dressy, if that makes any sense. If I were to have to worry about going out and it lasting all night or something, then I would actually leave my curls for a little bit longer on the curling iron, or leave my hair on the curling iron for a little bit longer, and I would hairspray probably after each release from the curling iron, just so it will hold, and then probably, just a light mist of it at the end. I mean, I don't really try to hairspray my hair too much too when I try to do that, hold the curls, because it makes the hair heavy from the hairspray. And then the top half, I kind of do it just a little bit different. I'll show you how I do my top half. Okay, so I got done with my bottom half. I'm going to grab my top half. Now with this one, it's kind of hard to explain. Let me see. I'm going to split it in half. Okay, I can split it in half. Pull that half to the front and clip this half out the way and brush it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to grab a section and I'm going to actually change the direction of my curls slightly, because the bottom one, I just do it that way just to kind of hurry it up, I guess. I don't know. But this one, I'm going to turn it vertically. and still kind of leave the ends loose. Well, not loose, but not curled yet. And then I slowly just move it out. And this is the only reason why I kind of started doing this way was just so that it kind of like shows layers instead of being like bulky. Because before, when I used to do it, it was kind of like bulky in one section and then like nothing in the other one. So this one just kind of builds layers. Because since my hair is so long, I don't want it to look like it's just so much curls just in the bottom section. I kind of want it to be a little bit more even. So for my bottom layer, the curls are much lower. And then on my top layers, they're either high or medium, depending what hair section I grab. Oh yeah, I go a little bit closer to the scalp too with this one. I don't stay as far from the scalp, so I'm probably like about 1 inch to 2 inches closer or away from my scalp right now versus my bottom layer. I'm like 3 inches or more. And leave it on there and release. And it looks like that. See how it kind of goes up a little bit higher? I mean, I don't know if you notice a difference from being on the camera, but I notice a difference when I curl my hair. And I just always pull any curled hair to the back so I don't get it mixed up with the front. And I always curl my hair away from my face. Well, nice set, but yeah, I'm curling my hair away from my face. So I don't really know why that is. I just always heard that you're supposed to curl away from your face, like direction of your face. I guess maybe not to make your face look so wide. I don't know. But sometimes I don't care, and I'll just curl it towards my face. But most of the time, I try to remember that rule of thumb since I don't know how to curl my hair very well. So once I get this section done, I will show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so I curled both sides. Now, what I did was I took kind of like my crown section and I didn't curl it yet. The crown front, well, this one's not the crown, but whatever. So I'm gonna brush that forward. And I'm gonna actually grab this half. Oh, not this half. I'm gonna split that into half, or kind of like half. And I know it's not even. It's like a really bad uneven section. And I'm gonna curl this away from my face. And I'm gonna have it parallel. I mean, did I do this wrong? I think I did. Let me do that one more time. Okay. So we're just gonna start from the bottom, make it easier, because I don't know if I can show it in the video. So I'm gonna curl it away from my face and parallel to my scalp, like that. I'm gonna hold that there for about a minute, because the curls in the front, I kind of try to hold it a little bit longer. I don't know. I feel like my front ones don't hold as long because I guess it's near my oily-esque face or the wind or just something, you know, I don't know. I just do that. And so then I clip in the ends and then I release. And then I just make sure I pull it back like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna do my front section. I try to do like curl my hair when my hair is like 3 days old, like not washed, like freshly washed with shampoo and stuff, because it is easier to handle. I'm gonna put it at the end, shit, and curl. There we go. Oh, gosh. And I have my setting on like medium high. I think it's like on 400 or something. I'm not really sure. Because my hair usually doesn't hold curls, so I kind of have to turn up a little bit higher. I would suggest using a hair protectant, like heat protectant, but I just don't have one, and I don't do my hair enough to want to invest in one. Okay, then I release it. My hair's falling out. Okay. And so now I have all my curls right here. They're still pretty tight. So if I were to go out right now, I would kind of keep these like tight like this. I wouldn't break it up yet until like I get to my destination, if I had a destination. Like, I don't know if we were all going on a date or something, but since most of the time I'm just doing my hair just to do it for the hell of it, I'll just break it up here. And like I said, I don't hairspray my hair because I like it kind of loose. And all of this will start relaxing. Like, can you guys, can you kind of tell, like, okay, so all my curls kind of start from here down for the ones that are on my top layer. But then my bottom ones, like if I were to pick up half of my hair, you see how my bottom ones, they start more lower, like right here. That's how I like it because before I used to do it all the same length and then it would look like this. It would honestly look like it was all scrunched up like in one section. But this way, I can make it kind of like flow down. And I like to part my hair to the side when I curl my hair. It's just a preference because sometimes I do it in the middle, which sometimes I'll have a good day in the middle, but some days it doesn't look good in the middle. Like, let's see if it's good today. It's just not a good middle day for me. I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but I just like it to the side better right now. I'm just rocking the side hair. And so I'll just keep kind of like pulling it out like this. I used to brush it, but that's only if I'm going for like those little beachy waves where they're kind of like all in sync, but I kind of like it like this better because I don't know, I just like it like this. And that's all I really do for my hair. But yeah. So I'm gonna put some makeup on and I will be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial for the hair. Deuces. Bye.